I have listed 10 only languages that if you can learn, you can step into AI development easily. The languages in this list is arranged from 10 to 1 according to their relevance, importance, features, popularity, pros and cons. I previously posted a video about only 5 languages because I thought less options should be easy to choose from, but many viewers had strong opinion about other popular languages. So I will make this list final. There are some new languages that you would not have even heard before, and the last language in the list was used to make ChatGPT and Llama. So let's start with number 10, JavaScript. Why the hell is JavaScript on number 10? Well, as I told earlier, there are 6 different qualities on which this list is based. JavaScript is really popular. It's a familiar language for developers. It has learning capabilities too. AI-related frameworks like TensorFlow is also based on JavaScript, but it's not strong enough for complex AI tasks. It's slower than almost all languages in this list. It can be really useful for building a PI, creating platforms for AI and connect users to the models and tools, rather than building AI itself. Number 9 is Prolog. It's a logic programming language and very relevant for AI development. It can be used for symbolic reasoning, expert systems, logical inference, and rule-based AI. It has declarative syntax, built-in support for backtracking and pattern matching. It's a very good fit for AI development, but the reason why it's on number 9 is because it's less popular. It's really hard to learn this language, and there will be less mainstream support compared to languages like Python and Java. Number 8 is Rust. It has amazing speed and memory management, which is important for heavy tasks like deep learning. Its memory management feature prevents memory leak and crashes. But Rust has a complex syntax and requires more upfront learning effort. The number of dedicated AI libraries and framework in Rust is growing, but it's still very small than Python or R. Number 7 is Julia. Yeah, it's not a name. It's a programming language. It has amazing speed and performance, and it's gaining popularity nowadays. You will see many job openings for Julia in next few years. It's designed for numerical and computational science, offering both high-level and low-level capabilities. It's easy to use, faster than Python, has easy syntax, and designed for parallelism. It is very relevant in AI, but it's still growing. It has smaller ecosystem, and there are not a lot of libraries and frameworks in Julia. Number 6 is Haskell. It is a functional programming language and highly relevant in research, AI development, and deep learning. It offers strong static typing, immutability, type inference, and lazy evaluation, about which I explained in this video. But it's hard to learn, not much popular, and lacks wide range of libraries and frameworks. Number 5 is Lisp. But before going ahead, let me inform that I have a merch shop. I am trying to add some cool designs, so please try one of these if you can. It will really be a great support to me and my content. Link is in description. All the customers will get a shout out in the next video. Now, Lisp is not as widely used in the industry, but it's highly relevant for tasks like symbolic reasoning, metaprogramming, logic programming, research, etc. Lisp is a really powerful language, but it has unfamiliar syntax for most programmers. It can be hard to learn it, and it's not much popular either. While languages like Julia and Haskell are continuously growing and getting popular, I can't say much about Lisp. Due to this, I'll include one more language on number 5, which is Golang, or Go in short. Golang's simplicity, performance, and concurrency features make it an amazing choice for developing high-performance machine learning and AI applications. It also comes at number 7 in popularity chart, so there is a proper open source community for support and make it easy to learn. Number 4 is R. In the previous video, I didn't include R in top 5 because I didn't know a lot about it. ChatGPT said it didn't come in top 5, but after researching about it, I can say that R is highly relevant in AI development and is popular as well. It can be used in data visualization, statistical analysis, data mining, deep learning, and various important fields including data science. But it's not as versatile as Python and has limited general purpose uses. The learning curve is a bit steeper, but it has wide range of libraries and frameworks unlike other languages I had listed till now. Number 3 is Java. Java is a really strong language in context of AI development. It is object-oriented, has robust libraries, works well with large datasets, is mature, scalable, faster, and gives better performance than Python. It is platform independent. That means we can run it on any environment, without modifications. It is a popular language, widely adopted in the industry, and has large community for support. The syntax is strict. It's not hard to learn, but not easy either. Number 2 is C++. I don't think I have to say a lot about this. C++ is kind of supreme language in speed and performance, which is really critical for AI-related tasks. It provides low-level control and memory management. It plays nice with hardwares. It's compiled in nature, so it's portable as well across different platforms and operating systems. Popularity is also high and has tons of libraries and frameworks as well. C++ is a deep language. I wouldn't say it's hard, but you need proper understanding of programming concepts to use it at best power. Finally, Python is at number 1. Simple reason for that is because most of the currently available AI models like Llama and ChatGPT are built using Python. It's the most popular language in the world. If you offer a job for Python developers, there will be unlimited candidates. Python is slower than most of the languages in this list, but its simplicity helps a lot while making large projects. It's kind of compulsory language now. You can't call yourself programmer without learning Python. Well, you can technically, but not socially. If you want career in tech, never ignore Python, but you can't ignore other languages either. Many people think just Python is enough for 90%. Well, 90% of the new programmers are also Python programmers. If you don't have a different skill, there's no guarantee that you won't get lost somewhere in the crowd. I can guarantee that one of the languages in this list will soon come in high demand and could get as popular as Python in AI and machine learning fields. Analyze the market and learn as much as you can. If you don't get a job, come here and become my editor. I won't pay you unless I start to earn though. Now watch the video in the right side to make these kind of cool squint AI illusions. And if you can, then please try one of my merch. If you're not interested in it, well, just subscribe to my channel. Every video will be interesting and worth your time. At least I won't become homeless.